Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libras. Take only what resonates. Hindi po to magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, isearch mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Siya pwede magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. And kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-palm reading naman mula sa akin. Pero free lang yung palm reading kung mag-a-avail ka nung aking bracelet na ginawa. Actually, mga piyaw bracelet yon or mga crystals bracelet dun sa TikTok shop ko. Check mo na lang ha. Okay, nasa description yung mga may free palm reading. Okay? 20 to 30 minutes or even more. Depende sa kung ano makikita ko doon sa palad mo. Anyway, wait lang guys. Kinuha ko lang yung card na gagamitin ko for your reading. Okay, again, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Libra. Okay. Please do comment down below, guys. Kahit po heart lang smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Okay, wait lang. For Libra, please. For Libra, please. Sana makuha ko energy mo ha. Pero kung hindi ko makuha, wag natin ipilit. Main energy for Libra. Closed off. We do have here closed off, guarded, and resistance. Tapos yung isa pang card is the message and dreams. This is your main energy. Ngayon kunin naman natin yung sa person mo. The person that you're dealing with. You do have your decision, self-worth, and comfort zone. Bottom of the deck is the facade or beliefs. I don't know if you're dealing with your twin flame. For some of you, this is for twin flame reading. Okay, so sa nakikita natin dito, you are actually etong sa right side kasi yung side mo pero pwedeng ikaw din yung sa kaliwa. Hindi ka masyadong nagiging open sa person na kakonect mo ngayon. Like, you're being guarded. Ayan. But, I feel like, you are waiting. Or maybe yung iba sa inyo, may pagme-message na nangyayari pero hindi mo alam kung paano sasagutin, or might be your person sent you a message pero hindi mo alam kung paano sasagutin because you are really closed off, you are really guarded. Yung iba naman sa inyo might be vice versa, pwedeng ikaw itong may pagme-message na ginagawa but you're trying to resist na mag-message pa muli dito sa person na to. For now, nakakita tayo ng disconnection na nangyayari sa inyo. I feel like this is the person of your dreams. But, for now, pwedeng nilalabanan ninyo. Pareho kayo etong connections na ito. For your person, I can see a person who is very lucky pagdating sa money. nagfo-focus siya ngayon sa mga path niya, sa sarili niyang path. Okay, and with the decision here, I feel like, for now, I feel like nagfo-focus siya ang decision niya, mag-focus sa kanyang sarili. This person is, medyo magkalayo talaga kayo, no? So, I feel like, pwedeng magkabilang mundo, or yung distance is milya-milya, pwedeng kailangan pang sumakay ng barko or ng eroplano, no? And you do have your fuckhead. So, may mga kanya-kanya kayong hinaharap ngayon na sitwasyon sa buhay ninyo, sa sarili ninyo. And, alam mo yun, nakafocus ka sa sarili mo, nakafocus siya sa sarili niya. Okay, that's the energy. Wait lang, guys. Okay, I'm back. Kunin naman natin yung mga nasa isip at emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Like, oo, pareho kayo nagfo-focus sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong sarili, pero anong mga nasa isipan mo patungkol sa person na ito, and ano namang mga nasa isipan niya patungkol sa iyo. You do have here the 7 of Pentacles and the 3 of Cups. For your person, Nine of Pentacles and one more card. 7 of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Pentacles. Okay. Mga nasa isipan niya, nakikita natin ikaw, very stagnant energy. Nasa isipan mo, parang walang kagalaw-galaw yung finances mo sa ngayon, no? Parang walang movement. Ganun pa rin. But, kakaiba sa person mo kasi magkaiba kayo talaga ng energy pagdating sa finances. Sa kanya naman, nagbo-bloom. A lot of money, a lot of success. And pinaghirapan niya yun eh. Pinipilit niya yung sarili niya to the point na pabayaan niya na nga yung health niya para lang i-push itong kanyang finances. And nakakita tayo ng boost ng finances pagdating sa person mo. I can also see a lot of new beginnings or might be offers mula sa person na ito. I feel like pagdating sa'yo, you are manifesting reconciliation dito sa taong ito. You want celebration or some kind of celebration or pagkikita. You want to drink with this person. Maybe in the past nagkakaroon na kayo ng pag-iinuman, gusto mong maranasan ulit yon, or you just want to have fun with this person again, or kasama siya. Nakita tayo ng ganun. Or I feel like paulit-ulit sa isip mo, sa alaala mo kung ano yung mga nangyari sa inyo in the past. And maybe kabataan pa yon eh. I don't know. For some of you, kabataan pa. Like teenage years. May memories sa inyo nitong person nito. And you're thinking about that. You see this person as a friend. Pero friend na special. You know. Regarding your emotions, for some of you, this is a twin flame connection. So, honestly, kung ano yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya, pwedeng pinipigilan mo lang. And then, pwedeng iniisip mo na hindi, kaibigan lang siya. Magkaibigan lang kami. Ganon. This person, sa side na ito, sa side ng person mo, pakiramdam niya sa'yo is like, the same din eh. Like a friend. But, I feel like tinatry niya mag-focus muna talaga sa sarili niya. Regarding emotions, more on self, yeah, like with the self-worth right there. So, nandun talaga, more on self, sarili lang muna niya. Okay, so what will happen in the near future for the both of you? The Hierophant is here. Five of Wands. Let me clarify. Temperance. The Tower is here. Three of Swords. Tower moment is here. 10 of Pentacles. And a Knight of Wands. Dito sa side na ito, dito sa future energy, hindi ko nararamdaman yung energy ng person mo, but rather another person might be the one that is in between sa inyo. Like, siya yung nagiging boundary. Siya yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi matuloy yung connection. And maybe this is a third party situation with the Three of Swords. Also with the Three of Wands. Parehong number 3 yan. So, and also with the this is the Eight of Wands. So, it's like pwedeng may mga family na involved dito or kung sino man ito. Like, these are the close people around you. Family, friends, involved sila dito. So, definitely, pwedeng may pagsasama, may relasyon, may marriage, I don't know. There's this third party situation here na nagiging problema sa connection ninyo. Nakakita tayo dito ng pag-aaway in the near future. You will try your best with the Temperance na maging mahinahon, na maging, kalmahan lang. Kumaga doon sa pag-aaway na yon. This is you trying to be more patient in the near future. Because actually, I feel like you're dealing with your karma, with a Hierophant. This can also signify marriage, pero nakakita tayo ng pag-aaway dito, or pagsasama na nagkakaroon ng pag-aaway. And I feel like it's pagsasama na nabuo lang because of udyok ng kaibigan, barkada, or pagsasama na hindi naman talaga nabuo dahil sa pagmamahal, but rather nabuo lang siya dahil sa pag-iinom, parang ganun. Maybe early pregnancies energy. Okay, pwedeng may anak tapos because may pag-iinom, or maybe yung iba pinagkasundo na kind of energy. So, wala talaga tayong love na nararamdaman nun. And I can see a possible ending of that situation with the 10 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and the Tower. So, this is number 10. And the Tower is an ending number, especially dalawang 5 yung nandito, Roman numeral number 5, with a 5 of Wands and 5 of, with the Hierophant, which is also a number 5, Major Arcana, Taurus energy. So, ayan ay nagpapakita ng number 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So, especially dito, meron dito tayo dito sa taas. This is 7, Roman numeral number 7, and then number 3. Nagpakita rin natin sa atin yung number na yan. Also number 10, so that signifies a number 10, which is a numerology that is about ending. And then yung number 5 sa numerology, that's changes. So, big change in the near future because itong pag-aaway na ito ay pwedeng humantong sa hiwalayan or pagtatapos ng connection. And I can see someone here is leaving the connection with the Knight of Wands. So, siya yung paghihiwalayan na may isa talaga sa kanila aalis. Aalis sa home. Kumbaga parang tipong ipaparaya na kung ano man yung mga naipundar, yung money, etc. na meron, pwedeng ibahala ka na dyan. Parang ganon. And I can see a lot of guilty kind of energy. And one last card, please, in the near future for Libra. Yeah, you do have here deception and temptation. So, nakakita tayo dito ng mga itinatago, pagsisinungaling. And I feel like, it's color gray kind of energy. Wherein, yung color gray and black is actually, it's a color for death. So, it's an ending. And nakakita tayo dyan na you just have to trust this situation kung ikaw ito na magkakaroon ng ending. Kasi I cannot tell kung side mo yon or side niya. Whichever side, I can see a possible ending. And then, kailangan mo lang magtiwala. You do have your trust. You do have your trust. Because this is like, kailangan mo lang magtiwala because this is like a divine timing for both of you. Okay? Nandun yung mga feeling ng pagsisisi, and I can see apology. So, for some of you, kung may ending, pwedeng may magtangka na bumalik ulit, or towards this connection, may pagtatangka na I feel like paghiwalay or pagtatapos ng connection because of some kind of pagsisinungaling ng isa. And then, someone here na talagang guilty dun sa connection will try to say sorry para maayos. But what is the advice here? Especially if this is sa side mo na ikaw ito. Kasi I cannot tell I don't know who is involved in the third party situation. Okay. Okay. Bottom of the deck, yeah. There's this regret. So, dito sa sitwasyon na ito, the advice for you actually, pagka nagkaroon ng ending sa side mo, you do have here the North Node, cosmic and purpose. Ibig sabihin may dahilan kung ba't tumating siya sa buhay mo. Maybe may dahilan, and might be ang dahilan ay ang para mas mahalin mo yung sarili mo, para mas matutunan mo kung paano mahalin ang sarili mo. And then we do have here union. So, I feel like someone is coming back in your life. Pero, maaaring, there's confusion here. Maaaring may confusion. So, dumating man itong taong to. Or, paparating pa lang. Pwedeng hindi mo masyadong pag-focusan yung pagdating nitong taong ito because of this. And, the advice for you is, you do have your distance. You have to retreat. You have to completely umalis before mo makuha itong new beginning for you, which is something very beautiful. And maybe kailangan mo munang alisan itong taong ito. Okay, kung sino man itong nagiging boundary or harang sa connection niyo. And you do have your third eye. You know the truth. You found out the truth. Hindi pa ba sapat yon? So, an apology is an apology. You can say, okay, pinapatawad na kita. Pero that doesn't mean kailangan ayusin kung ano man yung minsan na nag-end na or natapos na. Kumbaga, patawaran is fine. Pero allow this person na lumayo or umalis na sa buhay mo because you do not deserve this person. You do deserve someone better. Okay? Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.